Hello, my name is Tanisha Morton, and today I will be talking about genetics. I will touch on the minor subjects of genetic traits, genetic testing, and karyotypes. But first off, what is genetics? Genetics is the study of genes, and genes are inheritable factors that consist of lengths of DNA and influence specific characteristics. Heredity is the passing of phenotypic or genetic traits, which are traits that you can see from parent to offspring through asexual or sexual reproduction. Examples are blood clotting, which you can either be normal or hemophilic, hair color, eye color, and color blindness. A pedigree chart is a chart or a diagram that shows when phenotypes occur from one generation to the next. Essentially, if a certain genetic trait pops up, it shows on the pedigree. If men have a trait more than women, it is most likely an X-linked genetic trait. However, if it is half and half, or if the women in the family have the trait more, then the disorder is considered to be autosomal. Now, this leads into genetic testing. Genetic testing is the testing of blood or tissue to see what traits a subject has and their offspring's susceptibility to acquiring said trait. And genetic testing can determine or identify a person's ancestry and identify biological relationships that an individual may have. Like I said, genetic testing can be identified by blood or tissue. Also, you can do this by screening embryos. Screening an embryo can be done by inserting a needle into the placenta and extracting some DNA. After genetic testing, they gather information to do a karyotype. Now, what is a karyotype? A karyotype is a photograph of chromosomes and their pairs. So essentially, it's a photograph of chromosomal pairs. It's an organized profile of a subject's chromosomes. Karyotypes are done to find out if chromosomes of a parent can be or already have been passed on to their offspring, also to identify the sex of a subject if it is not already clear, and to identify a fetus. If a fetus will have a specific disorder, for example, Down syndrome or Edwards syndrome. Karyotypes are also helpful when determining the approach one should take when looking for treatment for certain types of cancer. Well, that's all I have. Thank you.